6 habits of poor people you should avoid if you want to become a millionaire. You first need to work on eliminating the habits of poverty that hinder your financial growth. If you are able to eliminate these habits of poverty, you will be taking a big step towards your financial freedom. In today's video, we will show you 6 habits of poor people that you should avoid in order to seek financial growth. 1. Having only one source of income. Nowadays, you cannot afford to have only one source of income. As the economy becomes increasingly unstable, don't fall into habits of poverty by feeling secure relying on a single source of income. You have an obligation to diversify your portfolio, especially when there are so many entrepreneurial ideas to develop. Additionally, by having more than one source of income, you will not only be reducing the risk of losing your income but also seeking new options for financial growth. By having multiple sources of income, you expand the possibilities of earning more money and achieving your goals. You will also be protecting yourself against changes or economic cycles that occur in markets. Furthermore, with additional income, you can make better business decisions, such as opting for more efficient investments that allow you to structure new business strategies or find solutions to get out of debt. Not depending on a single source of income will give you greater financial security and allow you to have good financial management in your life. 2. Not reading. Reading is an invaluable source of knowledge and education. Rejecting this practice might lead to missed opportunities for success. Many successful entrepreneurs and business leaders attribute their achievements to constant reading. It's crucial to choose books wisely, as not all contribute positively to expanding your mind. People with lower incomes tend to read for entertainment, while the rich prioritize reading for self-improvement and growth. Even a daily commitment of a few minutes to reading can significantly enhance your skills and knowledge, making you a better person overall. Books aren't just about cultural enrichment, they offer invaluable lessons crucial for human progress. Studies reveal that establishing a habit of reading for at least 30 minutes a day leads to a deeper appreciation for books and continuous self-improvement. Embrace reading as a habit, it's a gateway to personal growth and development. 3. Spending more than you can afford. Consumerism often leads to overspending, even if it's subconscious. It might be habitual or due to a lack of a defined budget. Avoid falling into this pattern as it aligns with habits that hinder financial stability. Being mindful of your money management is crucial. Every cent should have a purpose and a designated destination in your financial plan. Seek ways to resist impulsive purchases of unnecessary items. However, this doesn't mean denying yourself things you genuinely enjoy. For instance, rewarding yourself with something you like after achieving a new milestone is reasonable. 4. Eliminating unnecessary expenses. Frivolous expenses refer to small, seemingly insignificant purchases that, when accumulated, significantly impact your finances. For instance, consider the daily spending on coffee outside your home or the lunches purchased at nearby restaurants near your workplace. These habitual expenses, although seemingly inconsequential, add up over time and constrain your budget. Eliminating these habits of spending on non-essential items is crucial to avoid inadvertently diminishing your financial resources. What might seem like pennies per day becomes substantial when multiplied over the course of a year. To optimize your finances, consider alternatives such as preparing your coffee at home and bringing a homemade, nutritious lunch to work. Managing your money effectively is vital because ultimately, no one else will do it for you. This prudent approach to expenditure is among the best investment advice you can heed. 5. Spending too much time watching television. Excessive TV watching has been linked to poverty, but that doesn't mean you should get rid of your TV entirely. Instead, using it in moderation can be beneficial. Statistics suggest that around 65% of the affluent watch less than 1 hour of television daily, while only 23% of those with lower incomes manage the same. Thomas Corley's research in his book Rich Habits compared individuals with high annual incomes and substantial net worths to those with lower annual incomes and minimal net worths. His findings highlighted that the affluent group spent less time watching TV compared to individuals with lower incomes. Specifically, only 6% of the wealthy were engaged in reality shows, while a significant 78% of those with lower incomes were involved in such programs. The reason behind the rich watching less television is their engagement in numerous daily tasks and activities. 6. Not having daily goals. Failing to set daily goals can leave you vulnerable to numerous distractions that come your way. Embracing the habit of writing down your daily goals each morning proves invaluable. This practice not only establishes a prioritized task list but also helps differentiate between urgent and genuinely important tasks, allowing you to optimize your time effectively. Having an overarching purpose drives productivity, urging you to tackle challenges. Daily, we encounter chances to improve ourselves, replacing old habits with new, positive ones. Positive thinking, coupled with setting and achieving goals, is vital throughout life. Annual goals and long-term plans shape our journey, requiring dedication and consistency. Habits deeply impact our lives. Maintaining routines and consistent actions is crucial for various goals, be it fitness, learning, or financial stability. Evaluating progress in different life aspects guides our direction. Building good habits supports personal growth and financial stability, essential on life's journey. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss our future uploads. See you in the next video.